To thrive in the nail industry, you must become the nail. I am Nicholas Salmon. Welcome to Become the Nail Workshop. Become the Nail Workshop will be held on Monday, June 17, 2019. Consistency has no substitution. Come and join me, Become the Nail. Let's hang out together, eat some cultural food, and have fun. We'll learn the art of prepping, we'll learn the art of structuring the nail, also form placement. Come and let's become the nail. Remember, unity is strength. Let's work together. Let's strengthen each other. Come and join me, Nicholas Salmon, and I'll see you soon, June the 17th at 9 a.m. on a Monday. Thanks for joining. Let's become the nail.